Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to show you how to zoom in when you want to take a picture with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this phone actually has three cameras. One is a wide lens, one is a normal lens, and one is a tele lens. And I don't know which one is which. You can cover your finger when you're taking a picture to make sure which one's which. But all we have to do is open the camera app. And if we want to zoom in, all we have to do is, you see the 1 times here, we can press the 2 times, and then we're zoomed in. So we can see that we're actually super zoomed in there. 1 time is there, and even the wide angle is there. So all we have to do is that. We can also, if we want to not go for the preset of just one angle, and that basically changes from one camera to the other, we can also just pinch and zoom. So we put our 2 fingers on the screen and we zoom in, and it actually will tell you how zoomed you are. You see it says 4x, then 3.5x, 2.5x. That would be the normal lens. The long lens, and we're going, and it actually tells you which lens you are in. So if it's using the wide angle and it's cropped in, it's going to the normal lens, cropping in, and we're going into the zoom lens. And once it goes past 2.5x, it's actually using digital zoom. So that's basically digital zoom is just cropping into the image. It says even up to 12x. So that's how you zoom in on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.